Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Monica. In today's video, I am going to be giving my front porch a makeover. I can't wait to show you how this turned out. I hope it gives you some ideas if you are looking to spruce up your front porch for spring. I am so happy that the weather is finally warming up, and I just cannot wait to show you how this all turned out. So I hope you guys all enjoy today's video. If you are visiting my channel for the very first time today, I just want to say thank you, and make sure that you hit that red subscribe button and click on that notification bell so you don't miss out on any videos I do upload weekly. So here where I live, it has been extremely windy the past couple weeks, and dust is just everywhere. And with spring, we have our pine trees that are blooming right now, and I have a ton of those around my home. So I'm just giving my front door and that huge window a really quick clean before I get to the rest of the stuff over here. And for that, I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day glass cleaner in the lavender scent. So I did make a trip to Burlington, and I found some really cute items, but I also found these gardening gloves, and I thought they were adorable. I have been horrible about protecting my hands while I do yard work, and I always end up with cuts and scratches everywhere, and it's really important to protect your hands while you are outside doing yard work. So as you can see, I have my little helper out there with me. Okay, well, he's more of an observer, but my dog has to follow me everywhere, like everywhere. So I did start this video and he was sitting at the window just staring at me. So I felt bad, and he is a very good dog. He does not run off when he's outside with me or any of that kind of stuff. So it was safe to kind of let him out there. But he was kind of laying around and a little bit in my way. Fortunately, he kind of got up and moved, so I didn't have to nudge him. I'm curious if you are a dog owner, if your dog is the same way. I absolutely adore my dog, and I love that he follows me around everywhere. I think it's just so darn cute. Now that I have all the dead plants removed and the leaves that have blown on my front porch and collected in the corners and all the pine needles picked up and all that stuff, I am just going to quickly take my hose and just hose everything off so everything is all nice and clean, and then I'm going to start decorating. I did end up going to Home Depot, and I found some beautiful flowers. I thought this purple color was so pretty, so I did add some fresh flowers to my pots. I know last year I did add some fake florals. I was really worried about my plants dying, so I decided to go with some faux florals last year. This year I decided to go with some real plants. The way I ended up sprucing up my front porch, I made it so inviting that I will probably end up sitting out here a little more than I normally do. I normally sit in my backyard and drink my coffee in the morning, and I do spend more time in my backyard, but I am just so in love with the way this turned out. I did end up sitting out here the following day drinking my coffee because it is just so peaceful and inviting. So I thought the fresh flowers, the real plants, would just look so much better, and I am so happy that I did end up choosing the real plants this time. So I will be doing a backyard refresh as well, and I am just moving this rug that I purchased from Home Goods a couple years ago. I did have this in my backyard. I'm just moving it to the front because I am using something different back there. I also purchased this little bistro set while I was at Burlington, and I thought it was so cute. I wanted to go with the black color because it does match the bench that's already out here, and I thought it was a really good price. And the table was $49.99, and then the chairs were $34.99. But it was very good quality, very heavy, and I love it. And it just fits perfectly right here on the front porch, and it matches really well with the bench that I have. I found this adorable front porch doormat at Target. I love it. I love the florals on here, and it says love grows here, and I thought it was perfect for spring. If I could find a link for it, I will leave it in my description box. I wanted to add a little more color over here in this corner by the front door, and I thought that I would kind of mirror what I did on the other side by the bench, and I am using the same potted flowers that I used over there. I just love this purple color. I think it is so pretty. I love adding some type of a welcome sign to my front porch. I just think it makes it a little more inviting, and I did look out and find this really cute one for only $16.99. I did end up adding a faux arrangement just sitting down below. I wanted to kind of match the wreath that I'm going to place on the door. So here's the wreath that I'm placing on the door, and I did find this at Home Goods. I only made a few small changes and just really cleaned up my front porch, and I love the way it looks. It is so much more inviting, and I really do enjoy sitting out here now. Okay, so before I end this video, I'm going to quickly give you a sneak peek of my backyard. Right now it is a complete disaster. It's just got stuff kind of everywhere. It's been windy and it's just really unorganized. I did order a few things off of Amazon, so there will be some changes back here, but I do have a video coming, and I just kind of wanted to give you a quick sneak peek of what it looks like right now. But I hope you guys all enjoyed today's video. I hope that you have some ideas now if you are looking to refresh your front porch. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please be sure to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new. And I hope you guys all have an amazing day. I will see you in the next one. Bye.